What's up? It's your girl Nemo and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to be dyeing my hair black and purple. I'm going to be doing the black on my regrowth where I've got all the grays, hopefully cover that up for a short period of time anyway. And then the purple on my ends, obviously. Y'all, I'm about due for a haircut. Let me show you the back. I mean, look at this. It's like, you see what I'm saying? Like, it needs to be evened out for sure, but today is not that day. I will be doing it soon. I'm just waiting for it to cool down a little bit because I probably won't be able to put my hair in a ponytail or like clip it up once I do it. So yeah, that's why I'm kind of holding off a little bit on that. It is what it is for now. Anyway, let me tell you what I'm going to be using on my hair. I have Manic Panic in the shade Raven and Lunar Tides in the shade Eclipse Black. I'm going to go ahead and mix these together to make sure I have plenty to cover all of my rootage. I do have a whole lot of roots, y'all. Look how long those roots are. I'm itching so bad to bleach, but I'm really trying to hold off for the 1 year mark, if nothing else. Just so I can say I did let it grow for a year and then give it a good trim then probably as well, just to hopefully get the majority of these ends off. I might not trim it that short because that's going to be in January, so that's only a few months away at this point. I don't think it's going to be long enough to where I'm going to really be comfortable cutting all the ends off. Either way, I'm going to probably bleach at that point finally because this is getting so irritating. And you know what? I'm starting to not love the grays as much, but mostly because they get very like wiry and just kind of go all over the place, more so than just my regular hair. It's very irritating. I'm going to use the black to do all that, and then I'm going to be using a combination of Manic Panic and Plum Passion along with Plum Purple by Lunar Tides, and then probably adding a little bit of this Nightshade also by Lunar Tides, maybe also this Adore Violet Gem. Alright, let me go ahead and mix this up and I will show you what we look like. Alright, I've done all the mixing and I did add some of each of the purples that I mentioned. I will say it's primarily the Lunar Tides Plum just because of that's what I had the largest amount of. So I used mostly that and mixed up probably, I don't know, a few spoonfuls each of all the other ones. But this is what came out. And I'm happy with this, and I'm pretty excited to have like a dark look again. It's been quite a while since I really went dark with the colors I used, so yeah, I'm excited. I'm ready to get started. So let me get my gloves on, section my hair out because I'm gonna have to be kind of careful to keep the black and the purple separated to an extent. I mean, I think black would blend in the purple pretty easily anyway, and then we'll get started. Alright, it's all on, and you know the drill. We're gonna let it sit for about an hour, rinse in cold water. Hopefully the black doesn't bleed too much into the purple to where you can't see it too much, but we will see. I'm going to go and try to get these stains off my body. I got a little bit of it on me, and it's gonna look like a gnarly bruise if I don't. So, yeah, I'm gonna try to clean up my neck and my hands and stuff in the meantime, and yeah, I will come back to show you the results. Well, here it is. And yeah, the black definitely overtook the purple, which I was kind of afraid of, and sure enough, it happened. There is a purple tint in the light, especially more towards the ends, but I'm really wishing I would have stuck to more of the plum toned, warm toned purples instead of mixing in the nightshades, because I didn't want it to be like too pinky, but I feel like that probably would have looked better than what it looks like now. I feel like that helped lend itself to going more dark, but I really wanted the purple to pop, so I'm gonna call this a fail, which surprisingly I don't have that many of those on my channel, but no, this is a fail. I do think the purple will shine through more after a few washes, but also it didn't really cover my grays. I feel like they're like maybe a little toned down, but they're definitely still there. So yeah, I'll show you the bag, but I mean, it's all the same. Can't wait for it to be cold enough to cut and make it all even. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me out, and it's a free way to support my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace, love, God bless.